Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is exploring the beauty and wonders of Mother Nature. We got the image from Pixabay. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide so you can practice with us. In this presentation we will play with an image and its colors. The first thing we have to do is to insert the image. We go to Insert, Picture, this device, we choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. Then we want to duplicate the slide with the image. We go to the slide in the left column, right click, duplicate slide. Then in the last slide we want to put a rectangle on the left side of the slide. Insert, we go to Shapes, we choose the rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format, Size, Height is the height of the entire slide and width 12 cm. It's about 4.72 inches if you have inches in your settings. The next step is to color the rectangle with colors that we will take from the image so that the final result is consistent. Right click on the rectangle, Format Shape. We go to Fill Gradient Fill. We choose to have 3 gradient stops. We delete the one because we have 4 there. The first gradient stop, we go to Color, Eyedropper. We choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. The second gradient stop, we choose with Eyedropper the second color from the left side outside of the design area. And the last color and third, with Eyedropper, we choose the third color from the left side outside of the design area. Line, no line. Go to Direction and we choose the 5th in a row, linear left. We go to the first gradient stop, Transparency 100. We go to the second gradient stop, we choose Transparency 20. And that's the result. We close Format Shape. Now we want to insert our title. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose Palatino Linotype from Font, size 44, bold, and we go to Shape Format, Text Fill, Eyedropper, and we choose the color for the title that we have outside of the design area, the hex code. And we write our title. Embracing Embracing the wild, exploring the beauty and wonders of Mother Nature. Now we put it in the desired position. Now we want to insert the presenter's name. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose again Palatino Linotype, font, size 24, bold. We use color the same with the title, color, eyedropper. We choose the color from the left side outside of the design area and we write the presenter's name. Martha G. Santos. And we put it in the desired position. Now that we are done designing the title slide, we will put in the transition. We choose the two slides from the left side, click, shift and click. We go to transitions and click fade. And then we want to go to the slideshow button to see the final result. Click slideshow button, click, and that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!